Students, in the last class we have discussed about physical chemistry syllabus, which includes two chapters. First chapter is liquid mixture, and the second chapter is indicators and distribution law. Now let us discuss about the liquid mixtures. In this chapter, we should discuss about the classification of binary liquid mixtures, partially miscible liquid mixtures, completely miscible liquid mixtures, and completely immiscible liquid mixtures. Now, let us know what is a binary liquid mixture. Binary liquid mixture is a mixture of two liquids. When two liquids are mixed with each other, the resultant mixture is called the binary liquid mixture. So which does not produce any product. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Now these binary liquid mixtures are classified into three groups. First one, partially miscible liquid mixture. Second one, completely miscible liquid mixtures, and third one, completely immiscible liquid mixtures. So binary liquid mixtures are classified into three: partially miscible liquid mixtures, completely miscible liquid mixtures, and completely immiscible liquid mixtures. Example for partially miscible liquid mixture is phenol water system. I mean mixture of phenol and water. Example for completely miscible liquid mixtures: HCl water or ethyl alcohol water. Then example for completely immiscible liquid mixtures is like this: nitrobenzene water, or any oil, edible oil and water. Example, castor oil, the mixture of castor oil and water, or this coconut oil and water, like that. CCl4 water. We can give few more examples for completely immiscible liquid mixtures. So first let us know what is partially miscible liquid mixture. So to discuss this partially miscible liquid mixture, I would like to take this phenol water system as an example. Now let us assume we have taken some water in a beaker. We have taken water in this beaker. Now we are going to add few drops of phenol. This is water Let us assume 50 ml of water is taken in this beaker. Now we are going to add few drops of phenol to this water. In the beginning, few drops of phenol soluble or miscible completely in water to give a homogeneous solution, clear and homogeneous solution. Clear and homogeneous. So here we will not find any two layers. It gives only one layer, that is called homogeneous solution. Further, let us assume we are going to add few more drops of phenol. As we increase the concentration of phenol, the phenol does not dissolve in water. As the concentration of phenol increases, phenol remains as it is. It gives a turbid. Andre turbid andre ee majjige tara kanutte. Okay, turbid burn madutte. So it is opaque. It is not a clear solution. After some time it gives two layers. It is not a homogeneous solution. It gives two layers. So we can say that it is not soluble. Phenol is not soluble in water. It does not dissolve further. Here phenol dissolves in water at lower concentration. In the beginning, phenol dissolves in water to give a homogeneous solution, so that we can say that it is soluble in water, completely soluble in water at lower concentration. But as the concentration of phenol increases, the phenol won't dissolve completely. It only dissolves to a limited extent. It does not completely dissolve. So that you will get the turbid. It gives two layers. The upper layer is the solution of phenol in water, and the lower one is the solution of water in phenol. So phenol dissolves in water at lower concentration, as well as the water dissolves in phenol. It gives the lower layer. This is the solution of water in phenol. This is the solution of phenol in water. So that we can come to a conclusion that at lower concentration phenol dissolves in water, but as the concentration increases, it gives the turbidity. It does not dissolve further. That's why this mixture is said to be a partially miscible liquid mixture. It is a binary liquid mixture. It contains phenol and water. Next one, completely miscible liquid mixtures. Okay, so completely miscible liquid mixtures are the liquid mixtures in which one liquid is dissolved in another liquid completely. It gives a clear homogeneous solution for all concentration. In the lower concentration also it dissolves, and as well as in higher concentration both are dissolved with each other to give a clear homogeneous solution. Example, HCl, water, alcohol, water, like this. Here HCl, hydrochloric acid, dissolved in water to give a clear solution. In the same manner, water is also dissolved in HCl. So here also alcohol dissolves in water and water is dissolved in alcohol for all concentration to give a homogeneous solution. That's why these are all called completely miscible liquid mixtures for all concentration. For lower concentration and also for the higher concentration, they are miscible completely with each other. Next one, completely immiscible liquid mixtures. Completely immiscible liquid mixtures. So these are the liquid mixtures in which one liquid is not dissolved in another liquid completely for all concentration. Either it may be lower concentration or it may be higher concentration. The one liquid is not miscible with another liquid. For example, nitrobenzene, water, CCl4 water, carbon tetrachloride. They are not miscible with each other. They will produce two layers. For example, let us assume this is water. If we add CCl4 for this, you will get two layers. Okay. One layer is CCl4 solution in water and another is water solution in CCl4. So it does not give any it gives two immiscible liquids, water and CCl4. Okay. Of CCl4 is 1.59 gram per cc and water is around 1 gram per cc. The lower layer is CCl4 and upper layer is water. That's why they are completely separated. They are not miscible with each other. Therefore, they are called as completely immiscible liquid mixtures. Okay. So since density of CCl4 is 1.59 gram per cc, water is around 1 gram per cc. The lower layer is CCl4 layer and upper layer is water layer. Both are not miscible with each other. They give a separate layer. That's why they are called as completely miscible liquid mixtures. Okay, let us stop this.